Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making one of these chunky headbands using worsted yarn. I have a tutorial on my channel that teaches you how to turn worsted yarn into chunky yarn. So before starting this tutorial, I would strongly suggest watching that one first because I will not be explaining how to do it in this video. So all we're gonna need for today is a size 8mm hook and some worsted yarn. So to start off, we're going to triple our yarn. Then we're going to make our slip knot. We're going to start off by chaining 40. This chain is going to be going around your head, so you're going to want to make sure that it fits around your head. Add more chains if you need to, or take out chains if it's too big. But 40 is the perfect size for my head. Here we have our 40 chains. You're going to want to wrap that around your head and make sure that it fits snug. We're going to slip stitch into the first chain on our work. So you're going to push your hook in, yarn over, pull that through the chain, and then pull that loop that's on your hook. And now we should have a circle. So we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to be placing a double crochet in every stitch around. Make sure while you're crocheting, you're picking up all 3 strands of yarn and you're going through all 3 strands in the chain. And you're just going to continue double crocheting all the way around. So here we are on our last stitch. So we're going to do our last double crochet. And then you're going to be doing a slip stitch into the second chain from our beginning chain 2. So we're going to slip stitch. And there we have it. Our first round is finished. And you're going to chain 2. And you're going to repeat the same exact thing that you did for the first round 3 more times. So in the end, we should have 4 rows of double crochet. So go ahead and repeat that 3 more times, and then we'll meet back up when we're done. So we're back with 4 rows done, and we're on our last few stitches of this row. So when we get to the last stitch, we're going to slip stitch into that second chain, pull up a loop, chain 1, and then clip our yarn. Clip all 3 strands, pull. This is personally what I like to do. You can either weave in your ends, but I personally like to just tie a knot. Clip that extra and then lightly burn it. Y'all know me, lightly burn. And that's it. Check out my Etsy. I have a few patterns that use this same method of turning worsted yarn into chunky yarn, and they're just as simple as making this crocheted ear warmer. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and please like this video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching.